In Chapter 10 of To Kill a Mockingbird, Scout and Jem observe their father Atticus as being much older compared to the parents of their peers. They also think of him as feeble because he doesn't play football. While Scout and Jem love their father, they also feel a bit of disappointment, as Atticus rarely takes part in any physical activities, unlike the younger fathers of their friends. Atticus doesn't do things which other fathers do. He is almost 50 years old and works in an office, not in a drugstore. Atticus doesn't drive a dump truck for the county. He is not the sheriff. He doesn't run a garage or go deep-sea fishing. Moreover, he doesn't do anything which could arouse admiration in anyone. According to Jem, he can't do anything except read. One day, a rabid dog named Tim Johnson appears on their street, causing commotion and fear amongst the neighbors. Calpurnia, the Finch's housekeeper, spots the dog and alerts the neighborhood. The town's sheriff, Heck Tate, arrives with Atticus and insists that Atticus should be the one to shoot the dog. Surprising Scout and Jem, Atticus fires a perfect shot, killing the dog instantly. Miss Maudie, their neighbor, later explains to the children that their father was once known as the best shot in the county. One-shot Finch, they used to call him. However, Atticus has long given up shooting, considering it to provide him with an unfair advantage over all living things. Thus, in their eyes, Atticus's statute rises considerably after they discover that he was the best shot in the county in his youth, meaning he does possess the ability to do the things that other fathers are capable of. This crystallizes their understanding that courage and bravery aren't always about physical prowess, rather it's also about moral integrity and ability to do the right thing at the right time. The siblings' realization of their father's humility marks a turning point in their relationship. Furthermore, this chapter marks the transition in the book, as the narrative will now focus on a far more serious issue, which sees Atticus in a role demanding both moral and physical courage in the face of communal rage ignited by racial prejudice.